Who the f just coughed really loud?
It wasn't
Was
me.
that Vedal in the Discord? Because that was so.
Was it?
I heard
Was
a
it-
cough in my eardrum.
No, I heard it. Was that a skinwalker?
I think Vedal coughed, and that was the clear cough. That was a non-lethal company cough.
Oh.
Huh?
You're alive! Hey!
Hey, Vedal.
Who let the
Yeah, what's up?
dogs out? Who let the
Did you
dogs
cough?
out?
Hey!
Yeah,
Did you cough
I
in the
did
Discord?
Oh,
Why'd you do that?
Bro, I got scared.
Oh my god.
So
Welcome
I
home,
needed to cough,
sweeties.
So I pressed my
Why
mute
did you
to
blood
cough.
He's got a wet
I'm sorry.
Okay, we closed the door. We closed it. We closed it.
I know.
Okay, it's closed. It was like the clearest, loudest cough in my eardrums, bro.
That's so scared.
I just tried to mute.
I'm never gonna forget that. Holy shit.
I'm not very smart.
Ooh.
Metal just
you, Mon.
exploded all our eardrums at once.
Yeah.
He did, bro.
That's so scary. I thought it was a monster in my ear, and I was like, who is that?